Okay, so we have our green flag block with whatever our welcome message is. So if I click the green flag, he says his message. I decided 2 seconds was too short, so you can use 4 seconds. You could even use a decimal, so like 3.5 or whatever. Okay, so I've zoomed my blocks so that they're a little bigger for this video, and it bothers me that some of the blocks are underneath the scripting area. You can adjust how wide this area is. These 2 lines here, you can drag them in and out. And the same with the stage, actually, that you can resize the stage to get it out of the way or make it easier for you to see what's going on. So what we want to do next is add a forever block. So in control, the control palette, I'm going to scroll down until I see the forever block. And this just makes things repeat over and over. So there's a couple ways you can add the forever block to that script. We want to repeat changing the costume and moving, right? We want to keep him like he's going to change his costume and then he's going to go somewhere. He's going to change his costume and he's going to go somewhere. So I'm going to repeat that over and over. So I can just drag this inside the C shape of that block and then reconnect it. And then I'm going to show you another way that we can do it. So we can drag the forever block right up here, wherever the white line is where the block is going to pop in. So if I pop it in there, then I can drag my code right inside. Okay, so if I click this script, it'll run. But also, when I click Alonso, this script will run. So these blocks that have this kind of like wavy shape on top are called hat blocks. They always go on top of something. You can't click them in at the bottom of something or in the middle of something. And they are basically like triggers. They're telling the code to go. So this, when green flag clicked, if I click the green flag here, it tells the code to go. And this, when I am clicked, tells Alonso to go when I click him. So I'm going to go ahead and make the stage a little bigger so we can see what's going on. And then I'm going to click Alonso and we'll see what happens. So you'll notice he's moving really, really fast. And if I try to click him, oh, did I get him? I think I might have gotten him a couple times. I don't know. But that's not very fun. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the script. There's 3 ways you can do that. You can click the script itself. That'll stop it. You might notice that there's kind of a glow around a script when it's running. So I'll start it again. I can also click the pause button. If I just wanted to like see where I am in my code, it'll actually highlight the block that it stopped on. So that can be helpful. Maybe not in this instance, but in the future it might be helpful. And then you can click play again to let it keep going. And then you can also just click the stop button, which is the same as clicking the script, except it'll stop everything that's running. So the reason that Alonso goes so fast is that Snap is trying to run all its commands as fast as it possibly can so that our code runs quickly and doesn't make us annoyed with it like thinking all the time. But in our case, we're going to actually add a block to artificially slow down the code. So I'm going to drag out this wait block. I think it makes the most sense to, when I click it, for him to instantly turn around and move and then wait to turn around and move again. So the block is going to forever repeat next costume, go to as fast as it can, and then it's going to wait, and then it's going to start again, do these 2 blocks as fast as it can, and then wait over and over forever until you stop it. So I showed you Control Z. So let's say I want to separate these blocks. I want to drag this go to out. And then I'm like, oh, I didn't mean to do that. I can Control Z. And then I'm like, oh, wait, yes, I did. Control Y will redo your last action. So Control Z is undo. Control Y is redo. And there is an undo here. I don't know that there's a redo. Maybe. So I can keep undoing back to, I believe, when I saved last. Oh, look, the redo button showed up. You'll also notice that when we are arranging blocks, whatever block I grab, it grabs everything underneath it. So if I wanted to move this whole stack, I can't grab the wait block. I have to grab the next costume block to move it. So that's something that's kind of annoying until you get used to it. Okay, that is it for now.